How to listen to Spotify offline. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can listen to Spotify offline, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to listen to Spotify offline, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Spotify application here. Let's say you want to download some songs so that you can listen to them even when you don't have access to the internet. So let's say you go to a certain playlist over here and I want to download this playlist. Let's say here you can basically see the download icon over here, right? But if I tap on download icon, you can see it asks me to get premium, and unfortunately in order to listen to Spotify offline you need to have the premium, because if you don't have premium you will not be able to download the songs. That's just a feature that Spotify has restricted. Of course you can listen for free without the downloading, but you need internet for that. If you want to listen without internet and download it, you have to explore the premium. So if you don't have premium and you would like to get it, you can tap the get premium option, enter your credit or debit card details, select a plan and continue, and your premium will get activated, and as a result you'll be able to download songs to listen to them offline. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.